Yeah, how you feeling?
I'm asleep. Gotta go check in. See if we get upgraded to some suites.
That's fine. Y'all have a safe
Right now we're starting at main tower. We're going to the west tower. Straight down this hallway, all the way down, you take the left, it's the west hallway, down to the first floor. We're on the second floor right now. Like I said, it's not very cheap, but you can come and ask us about what you're doing.
Okay. Journey.
Using your group is awesome. For our monthly members or early status, they work just like a regular room. It's just more convenient. So you can put it on, it's waterproof, and use it as a regular room. And tomorrow for breakfast, they won't have your name on the display. Just give them your name, and they should have your name on that list. If they don't have it, just come grab one of us and we'll help you.
So these are the person travel hacking status of getting these type of wristbands. Here you go. As soon as you open the water, they're gonna charge. Wow. So it's $6. It's bolted down so you can't pull it. Unless somebody like really trying. You can put your dirty clothes in this bag. What? Welcome to Florida. Oh. Do this a lot. You don't want nobody to come in there. Alright, we're gonna keep it. Right now. I'm about to go lift some weights real quick. My head is killing me, so I'm about to see if I can even do anything. This is the main lobby. Have y'all seen the main lobby?
You gotta go down.
The real main lobby that we came from just all the way around there to the elevator up. Oh my lord. See, that's why I got this. That's exactly why. Cause I ain't doing all that walking. Yeah, this is a tricky one here. All right, well, good luck. Thank you. Whenever you have the power to leverage your credit responsibly, you'll be able to travel for free. Also, stay in hotels for free. Have elite statuses to get free hotel meals, free bonus points, and also get to travel the world and business with your family. Want to learn more? Tap in.
I think it's closed. Oh no, there goes somebody. Yeah, somebody in there.
Yeah, I'm a speaker. Yeah, the travel hack.
Oh, travel. Okay. This me from Anthony. In case I don't make it, at least I'll be able to, podcast what's going on. Alright, man. Alright. See you.
Did you have? Is that the wristband you guys came with? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you're good. Don't worry about it, bro. All right.
Appreciate it. Why the dead?
Because it's slow. Like it's only 10% capacity of like guests that will actually use the water park. Most of the people are just like business people, so they're inside doing their thing. So that's why there's like only like 5 people here.
Yeah, I'm very for being. Okay. Sunscreen.
Oh no. It is supposed to rain, bro. I want to go in there. Hope you ain't going in the mud or something.
Hey, you back? Oh, quick. Japanese steakhouse. Commandant Japanese steakhouse. I have no idea what kind of food they have, but we're about to find out. It should be an amazing experience that the power of credit has allowed us to experience. Now, I'm just bullshitting with you. Credit really ain't got nothing to do with that. I mean, we just about to go eat some steak right now and see what it tastes like.
Ooh. Damn, what I just do? Damn, she look good. In the back. Oh!